guys.
Hi.
Hey guys, what is up? So I just want to say,
So I dropped out of school.
and let me give some background. Let me tell you a story.
Story time.
Also, how have y'all been? I hope that y'all are amazing. I'm tired, I'm decomposing. I should probably drink coffee to make this video actually entertaining, but I don't think it's gonna happen because I don't feel like pooping today, so. Wait, well, that's how it be sometimes.
I'm calling the police.
But anyways, the day has come. The day has come, and this is a monumental moment. This is the monumental moment that I feel like we've actually been waiting for. I'm clearly very nervous to film this video. I am scared.
I'm scared.
But anyways, so hey guys, my name is Antoniio Garza, and I dropped out of school at the age of 16. So it all started a good and fun 6 months ago. I started this little YouTube channel, and I was thriving. My main concern when I started being a YouTuber was like,
How am I gonna do school like this?
like I'm literally like, I don't give a freak about school in the first place. Why would I give a freak about it now that I have this amazing thing in front of me called youtube.com/Antonio Garza on YouTube. So I was really scared because I was like, oh my God, what if I fail all my classes? And then I did. I only failed one class, to be fair. Like overall, semester-wise, I only failed one class, which is still kind of a lot. But anyways, so essentially there was just a point in the year where things just really started piling up on me. Throughout the past few months, if you've been a follower and a good fun subscriber, you'd know that I do not post.
I cannot post on YouTube. I do not post on YouTube at all.
Literally ever. I will post a video at most once every 2 weeks, which is literally
A piece of crap.
because literally that's not okay. Like I have this amazing thing going on for me right now where I have all y'all beautiful hoes at home
Thriving.
wanting to see more of me. But if I'm gonna be at school, like I just cannot post. I haven't been posting, and y'all are like,
Oh my God, you're like literally ugly and irrelevant. Like literally you need to post more or else we're gonna start hating you.
so that's the last thing I want is to be irrelevant because I love. Anyways, so there became a point in the year where I was just like, you know what? This is it. It's either I continue doing YouTube and thriving and living my best life, or I can do school and not fail. It's either one or the other. Like there is no in between, sis. Like
Pick your poison, Miss Ho.
get it together. Like no games. The answer was simple for me. It was that YouTube just had to go. No, I'm just kidding. Pranked you.
Rank channel vibes.
Anyways, for me, obviously the clear choice was to stay on YouTube because YouTube is my bae, YouTube is my fam, YouTube is my life, and YouTube is my goals. So I obviously have to stay on YouTube. So I was like, you know what?
Hey mom, help sis literally get me out of this disgusting place.
And she was like,
No.
and so I was like, oh my God, that's funny. That's so funny that you said no, but you know what?
The answer is yes.
And so then she was like,
No! Oh my God, you're not leaving school, you disgusting piece of trash. And then
I told her I wanted to die, and then she was like, okay, I guess we can work it out. So here I am. I'm done with school. Bye, sis. I dropped out. You should never do this. You should not do what I'm doing. You should not ever just leave school like I did, because it was very sudden for me. I was just like, bye, sis. I was just like, I'm out. I'm never coming back to this school ever again. I feel like that was an amazing choice for me. I don't want to sacrifice YouTube, something that means so much to me and something that like literally has changed my life in the biggest way of anything ever before. I would never want to risk that for something that makes me genuinely unhappy, which is school. It's draining mentally to be there all day and just like, why did I say it like that? All day. All day. And then for me to go home, have homework to do, and then just be like drained to the point where I cannot film, I cannot edit, I cannot do anything. For example, when I had my little fun and fresh video with
the James Charles,
I literally had to stay up all night, like on a school night, because I did not have time at all to get it done. Like just like on a normal basis. Like I literally stayed up a whole night and then had to go to school the next day without sleeping. And I still had to edit the video at school. It's just like, it was so unideal. And like most people in my situation, like on the internet, are not at school anymore. So it's like, I guess I'm just kind of following the wave. I don't know. You can tell me. And so here we are. I currently am out of that school and I am going to soon be enrolled in an online school. And to all the people at my school watching this, And just to all the kids at home,
bye. See you never.
maybe at the local, grocery store, I'll see you once in a while. Maybe at the local Target. But other than that, it was nice knowing you. Not really, but. So yeah.
That's that.
See ya. Bye. The door. That's where I'm going. Me out that door. Me leaving. Actually, I'm not gonna leave because I'm gonna actually go on the bed. Me, bed. Yes.